Welcome to Pro Tools Expert, my name's Dan Cooper, and we continue our free video tutorial series in which we mix live multi-track drums using Waves plugins in Pro Tools. In the first two videos we covered EQ, so we fixed some frequency problems on snare drums and kick drums, we gated the toms. In the second video we applied some dynamic processing and added some character EQ just to make things sound a little bit more interesting. And in this video we're going to apply a little bit of ambience and saturation to some parts of these drums to make them sound a little bit more alive. So what have we got so far? Well, we've got that. So let's look at the snare drum, and I think it needs just a little bit of space around it, something that makes it sort of stand out from the rest of the kit a little bit. So I'm going to use this Reverb, got it on a stereo aux track, and I've got a bus on the snare to that aux track. And reverbs, really, best way of using reverbs is finding sort of the general starter preset you want. I want rooms, and then you just audition them, hit play, and flick through the presets until you find something either you like or something that's close to something that you're after. Too big. Way too big. Now over here. Yeah, Studio B, that sounds quite nice. Just sounds a little bit too bright. We can change the EQ of it here. Maybe bring the size down just a little bit. And then get the level right on the bus. It's not just the snare, you can apply reverb too. Let's try this on the overheads as well, see if we can add something. Take it off the snare. You know what? I think I prefer it on the overheads. Yeah, I'm going to work with that. That works for me. Okay, I think it's time for a little bit of saturation now, just to help bind all these ideas together. So, I'm going to output all of these tracks to the same bus, send them to a stereo auxiliary, and a plugin I absolutely love using on drums is this, the Kramer Master Tape. Pushing the recording level, playback comes down, and then you can start to hear lots of lovely things happen. Before. Probably baking it a little bit too much, but I like it. Okay, in the next video, we're going to be having a look at what else we can do to the drums on this mix bus. Hope you guys got something from this. I'm Dan from Pro Tools Expert, and I'll see you again soon.